been hiking, you know, pretty much all day on this tunnel trail for the, I won't say it correctly, Blue Ridge Historic Railroad Trail. I think that's what we call it. That's a lot. So I'm gonna get something to eat going while you watch the video, okay? And I'll let you come back and see what we got. This gate blocks the rest of the tunnel due to partial cave-ins in the past. Water seeping through the rock under our feet happens all the time. Alright, so right here is one of the inhabitants of the cave. In fall 2008, a bat-friendly gate was erected inside the tunnel entrance to restrict human access to the tunnel. The tunnel is a winter roost for bats, and controlling access to winter roost improves survivorship and use by these beneficial mammals. Moss grows where sunshine penetrates the tunnel. Be sure to look up. You may not be alone. Water, rock, and other debris scatter the tunnel floor beyond the gate. If you look closely, you can see high water marks on the tunnel walls. Someone even lost a boat paddle. And this is the top of the tunnel. So that's how much it's filled in. Or never got dug out. I'm not sure which. I wasn't there. Okay, seems like I hear water. Unmistakably some kind of water. Of course, there's a lot of wind in the trees today. Let's see if I hear water. I see water. Nice branch. And I see more water. The unmistakable sound of a small waterfall. Just can't miss it. Right there, there's a, it's not a branch, but something. That's where I'm headed. Right there. Well, it's only a couple inches. Should be easy, right? Ah, black walnuts. Yeah, there's tons of them here. I think they're amazingly good, but I must be the only one. Something doesn't look right up here. It's like it used to be blocked. So those trail people, you know, the little gnomes in the woods running around fixing trails, they've been in here obviously cutting out. So I have the pleasure of walking under. What a jumble. Since this is the bed of the railroad that I'm traveling down now, this apparently was some of the blastings or the rocks, chips, I don't know. I just know it's a big pile. Appears to be a giant python crossing the trail. Yep. Old muscadine vines either cut down or broke down or ran out of life. Ah, this looks like this one. See that one? It's massive. I won't even guess the age. So it has a loop, runs across, and they eventually run out of life, then crash to the ground. Look at this massive tree. It's not your average garden variety type of big tree. This is a really big tree. It's a tulip poplar, and these do get massive. I'll show you. That is by far the largest muscadine vine I've ever seen in my life. To go with the largest tulip poplar I've ever seen in my life. Well, this is new. I haven't seen this before. Oh, this was washing out some years ago. I remember that. How much further? Huh. Can't really tell by the map. Yeah, I can. It's just a little ways. Just a little ways. What? Do I see a trail sign? Could it be? It says Yellow Trail ends here. Southwest Saddle Tunnel. And here's the other tunnel that was part of that construction. Let's get you a good look at it. Obviously there's the top of the tunnel. Got some drill holes in it right here. I see some other drill holes or slots. See where they were drilled down and then chopped off. This being the entranceway, had to dig into the tunnel and give it an apron. Let me give you the tour. Hello? Man, that goes up in there a ways. Hello? Now that we've reached the end of the trail, it is time for that much needed nourishment and relaxation. It's refreshment.